Welcome to my channel. Now I will explain to you how to translate mathematical equations to Excel formulas. This is how we do it. We have two given data. Let's say it's 100, 100. And this is 50. This is our sample. This is if you get the total. This if you get the difference. This answer if you get the product. This answer if you get the quotient. So what you will do with these two datas? If you will get the total, it's simply 100 plus 50 is 150. If you get the difference, 100 minus 50. If you get the product, it's 100 times 50. If you get the quotient, 100 divided by 50. So if you don't translate these two formulas, every time you will change the given data, you will always compute here what to do. For example, if you make this 150, so you will do here is always edit here, put 150. And the result is 200. This is all. Every time you change the data, you will make a computation. So we will go back to 100. And this is, we will go back to 50. So if you make the formula, this C6 is the result for total. C7 the result for difference. C8 is the result for product. C9 is the result for quotient. So C6, C7, C8, C9, you will make a formula for these cells. So the formula for C6 is C4 plus C5. Our given data are C4 and C5. For C7, our formula is C4 minus C5. For C8, our formula is C4 times C5. Likewise, in C9, it's a C4 divided by C5. This is the result for our formula. So every time you change the data, like make it again to 100, yes, you will notice that the result changes. If you make this, you change the data to 150 and you don't change the data too, you will notice the result changes. This is the advantage of formula than conventional computation. So I hope you understand the advantage of making formulas of translating mathematical formula to Excel formula. Thank you for watching.